High pick out of Miami last year. 2nd down and 2. Kessler to Johnson. Blocking there. Foster slowed him down. There's a loose ball. It's a fumble. And the Redskins have recovered.
You got to ask yourself, if you're Hugh Jackson, you had that stoppage of play, you had all that time on the clock, you had Isaiah Crowell on the sidelines, and you put in your backup, Duke Johnson. Not very big.
Foster. I think Foster may have stripped him. 54. Or maybe it was the hit there on the side.
Wow. Back-to-back possessions.
Fumbles, yes.
We had the fumble from Malcolm Johnson on the previous possession, and then another fumble from Duke Johnson.
2nd down 2. Pistol. Blocked by Johnson. And picked off, intercepted by Norman. Highest paid defensive back in the NFL comes up with his first Redskins pick. Another turnover. 3 in a row for the Cleveland Browns.
Well, they're just trying to throw the slant. Look at Josh Norman. He is right on the backside of Terrelle Pryor. He's watching the quarterback the whole way. He knows he has help inside. He just does a terrific job undercutting Terrelle Pryor. He almost runs the route for him. Terrific anticipation by the Pro Bowl corner.